Hello everyone! Today we will make hummus, one of the most famous dishes of Middle Eastern and Turkish cuisine. The hummus we will make by sticking to the original techniques without taking the easy way out will be delicious. First, we put 2 glasses of chickpeas in a bowl for 12 hours. Then we boil the swollen chickpeas until they become very soft. Add salt, black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of cumin to the boiling water. We peel the boiled chickpeas one by one. No pain, no gain. We puree the chickpeas by crushing them in a mortar with garlic and the water in which we boiled the chickpeas. Then, we mix this puree thoroughly in a large bowl with half a glass of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 3 teaspoons of cumin. Since we prepared 1 portion here, we used less. You can also scale it according to the portion you will prepare. We roast the sesame seeds a little and set them aside. Then we fry red pepper powder in butter. Add chickpeas, roasted sesame seeds, chili peppers, and butter. After decorating it with parsley, it is ready to serve. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.